Good morning.
أنا أستاذ.
كيفكم؟ مين ماما is مغري? Send a message for
هاي
مغري. هاي كيفكم؟ بس send a message for مغري.
مغري is sick مش راح تفوت.
كورونا؟
No.
Okay. Okay, 2014. So we have the function f defined on R by fx equal x plus e to the power x plus 1. We see it's a representative curve. Part 1. A. Calculate the limit as x tends to minus infinity. How much the limit as x tends to minus infinity? How much did you get at minus infinity?
minus
infinity.
We get ليش minus infinity?
لأنه e to the power minus infinity is 0.
Okay, لأنه e to the minus infinity is 0. So limit as x tends to minus infinity of fx, we replace each x by minus infinity. It becomes minus infinity plus e to the power minus infinity. Minus infinity plus 0 equals minus infinity. And show that the line D with equation y equal x is an asymptote to C. How to prove the line y equal x is an asymptote to C? How to prove that
X
one?
minus yd limit of x minus yd x tends to minus infinity.
Okay. ليش أخذنا minus not plus?
لأنه هو هي الماينس.
Okay, لأنه قلنا هو minus. So limit as x tends to minus infinity of fx minus yd equal limit as x tends to minus infinity e to the power x plus 1 e to the minus infinity equal to 0. Therefore, the line D of equation y equal x is an oblique asymptote to C at minus infinity. Part B. Specify the position of C and D. شو بيطلع position between C and D here?
Above.
Above. ليش above?
Well, because fx minus yd is positive.
So fx minus yd equal e power x plus 1. Will exponential always positive? It is positive for every x belongs to R. So C is above D for all x belongs to R. Calculate the limit as x tends to plus infinity of fx. How much the limit as x tends to plus infinity?
Plus infinity.
We get plus infinity. And we need to calculate f of minus 1, f of 0, and f of 1. Limit as x tends to plus infinity of fx, each x replaced by plus infinity. See, plus infinity e to the power plus infinity equals infinity plus infinity equal plus infinity. F of minus 1 equals 0. F of 0 equal 2.7 and f of 1 equal 8.38.
استاذ انت قد ايه عم تاخذ الاي 2.7
فيك تحطها على الكالكوليتر. You find the value on the calculator. ليش بيطلع؟ فيك تاخذ اي 2.7. Show that f is increasing and set up the table of variations. How to verify that f is increasing?
سهلة. f prime x greater than 0.
ليش بيطلع ال f prime x? So fx equal x plus e power x plus 1. f prime x, derivative of x is 1. Derivative of exponential x plus 1. First we make the derivative of x plus 1 is 1. E to the power x plus 1. E is positive, well 1 is positive, so f prime x is positive for every real number. So f is strictly increasing on R. A table of variations, x, the domain minus infinity plus infinity, f prime x, fx.
أستاذ
Yes?
هون حد 1 على النص أو ما ضروري مو
مش
مثل روت.
ما قلنا بعدين study the sign of. إذا أعطينا قلنا study the sign بنحط الماينس 1 إذا بدك بالنص. مش
بس إذا
الواحد.
حطينا 1 هون غلط شيء.
مش غلط بس لا هو why to put 1.
أوكي.
على minus infinity we get minus infinity, على plus infinity the limit is plus infinity. Now show that the equation fx equal 1 has a unique solution alpha, and that alpha is between minus 0.6 and minus 0.5. How to verify that fx equal 1 has one solution? To verify fx equal 1 has one solution, our f is continuous and strictly increasing. We calculate f of minus 0.6 and f of minus 0.5, and we compare it to the what?
to the 1.
To 1. Okay. So f is continuous and strictly increasing over minus 0.6 minus 0.5. F of minus 0.6, we get 0.89, which is less than 1.
That's 1 given كم هو؟
وقلنا يا هيكل show that the equation fx equal 1.
Yes.
F of minus 0.5 equal 1.14 greater than 1. So fx equal 1 has 1 root alpha in the interval minus 0.6 minus 0.5. Part 4, draw D and C. How to draw D and C? The line D is of equation y equal x. This is the line y equal x. It passes by the origin. and by the point 0, 1. This is the line D. Now we have the particular points. F of minus 1 is 0. F of 0 is 2.71, this point. As 0, 2.7, and F of 1 equals 8.3. F of 1 equal 8.3, this point. On minus infinity, we have an asymptote, and C is above D. We start from here. D is an asymptote to C. It increases, it passes by these three particular points, 1, 2, and 3.
Says F minus 1 and delta can particular point.
F of minus 1, 0. لكوين هون. F of minus 1 is 0. على 0, 2.7. على 1, 8.3. Okay, we start with another exercise. It was a small exercise. Now 2013. 2013, first chance. We have the function f defined on R by fx equals 3 minus 4 over e power 2x plus 1. C is its curve, unit is 2 centimeters. The unit is 2 centimeter, يعني كل 2 centimeters is 1 unit. Calculate the limit as x tends to minus infinity. How much will be the limit as x tends to minus infinity of this function?
minus 1.
Minus 1. والlimit على plus infinity?
Three.
إيه
Deduce the asymptotes to C. What are the asymptotes to C? How many asymptotes we'll have? 2 asymptotes. What are they? So limit as x tends to minus infinity of fx equals 3 minus 4 over e to the minus infinity. We replace x by minus infinity plus 1. E to the minus infinity is 0. So 3 minus 4 is equal minus 1. So the first asymptote is x tends to minus infinity, y tends to minus 1, then y equal minus 1 is a horizontal asymptote. Limit as x tends to plus infinity of fx equals 3 minus 4. We replace x by infinity. بصير e to the infinity plus 1 is 3. E to the infinity is infinity. So we get 4 over infinity. Number over infinity is 0. We get 3. So x tends to plus infinity. Y approaches 3. Then y equals 3 is a horizontal asymptote. So we have 2 asymptotes. Any questions about the asymptotes?
No.
Part 2. Prove that f is strictly increasing over R and set up the table of variations. For the function to be increasing, its derivative should be positive. So to prove the function is increasing, we have to prove f prime x is positive. So this is fx, is 3 minus 4 over e power 2x plus 1. Then f prime x, derivative del 3 is 0, minus. This is of the form u over v. U prime, derivative del 4 is 0, minus v prime, derivative del e power 2x. First, you make the derivative of the power. Derivative of 2x is 2. Then it becomes 2e power 2x times u, which is 4, over v squared. Minus times minus. This minus times that minus is plus 8e power 2x over e power 2x plus 1 squared, which is positive for all x belongs to R. So f is strictly increasing on R. Table of variations. X, its domain is from minus infinity till plus infinity. F prime x is positive. Then fx is increasing since f prime is positive. At minus infinity, we get the limit minus 1, and at plus infinity, we get the limit is the 3. The curve C has a point of inflection W with abscissa 0. Write the equation of T, the tangent to C at W. كيف equation of the tangent?
ما بعرف.
مين ما قال ما بعرف؟ هيكاز؟
y minus ya equals to slope x minus xa.
اوكي كيف بنلاقي slope؟
f prime xa. هاي letter.
So W and the abscissa 0, we find its ordinate YW. YW is f of 0 equals 3 minus 4. E to the 0, we replace x by 0, 1. بتصير 3 minus 2, which is 1. W is 0, 1. Slope is f prime of 0. F prime of 0, we replace the value of 0 in the derivative, بتصير 8 over 1 plus 1 squared equals 2. Then the equation of the tangent is y minus yw, which is 1, equals slope, which is 2, into x minus xw, which is 0. So y equals 2x plus 1. So the equation of the tangent is y equals 2x plus 1. 4a. Calculate the abscissa of the point of intersection of C with the x-axis.
يعني هون y to 0.
Y equal to 0. So C intersection the x-axis, y equal to 0. It means that 3 minus 4e power 2x plus 1 equal to 0. We can take the LCM, or we can put 3 equals 4 over e power 2x plus 1 cross multiplication. So 3e power 2x, 3 times e power 2x, 3e power 2x plus 3 equals 4. Then 3e power 2x equals 1. E power 2x equal 1 over 3. To remove e, we add ln to that side, to the next side. So 2x, or ln e power 2x equal ln 1 over 3. ln will e simplified. بيصير عندنا 2x equal ln 1 minus ln 3. X equals minus half ln 3. Part B, draw the tangent and the curve. We have two asymptotes. The two asymptotes are y equal minus 1, the horizontal asymptote. We have the second horizontal asymptote, y equal 3. Now to draw the tangent, we need two particular points. Tangent of equation 2x plus 1 is an x0, y1, this point W, with an x equal 1, y equal 3. We get this tangent.
كيف جبنا هيدو البوينت؟
هي اللاين عنده تو equation 2x plus 1. هيدا اللاين is ال x0 ال y1
اوكي
with ال x1 ال y3. 0 1 and 1 3. You draw this tangent.
Specific هذا particular points تبع C.
تبع C ما اخذت particular point. تبع اللاين دي اذا بدك.
لا بدي كيف عملنا دروسي asymptote هدول.
y equal minus 1. هيدا horizontal asymptote. هيدا أول واحد. y equal minus 1. أوكي رسمته.
Yes.
Second asymptote y equal 3.
Okay.
بعدين to draw the line D عنده equation y equal to x plus 1 is ال x0 ال y1 is ال x1 ال y3. اوكي
Okay sister. و C intersects at 1 0 1.
اوكي بعدين اذا جبنا intersection مع ال x axis طلعت minus half ln 3 تقريبا شي minus 0.6 او minus 0.7. هذا ال point of intersection with the x axis.
خلاص صار sister.
هلا الكيرف at minus infinity we have minus 1. It is asymptote على minus 1 here. It cuts the x-axis at minus half length 3. ليكوا هيدا التانجنت على point of inflection بيكون مميز. هيدا التانجنت على point of inflection بيكون tangent from the two sides. بيكون tangent from this side, from the left side بيعمل tangent here وبيرجع بيعمل tangent here on that side. Then goes at plus infinity we get y equals 3. This is y equals 3. This is w 0 1.
هلا عملنا درو للسي.
Yes هيدا السي هون.
Is that شو لك مشان tangent؟
وانا بشوف tangent انه بيكون tangent at the two sides of the line. بيكون tangent at this point.
before y.
خلاص انت ارسمه عادي. It passes هيك بال W and it goes to y equals 3. Curve increasing minus infinity minus 1 here. And it goes to plus infinity 3. It passes by W. يلا خلصنا. بعد عندنا بس part 5 only. Part A. Verify that fx equals minus 1 plus 4 e power 2x over e power 2x plus 1. How to verify fx and this fx are equal? How to prove this and that are equal? هيدي and هيدا.
نعمل اثنيناتهم LCM.
Okay, the easiest way نعمل اثنيناتهم LCM. اوكي هيدا الاف اكس. اخذت اول شيء الاف اكس عملت له LCM e باور 2x plus 1 للاف اكس بصير 3 e باور 2x plus 3 minus 4 بتصير 3 e باور 2x. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 over e power 2x plus 1. I take the second side minus 1 4 e power 2x over e power 2x plus 1. I take the LCM, which is e power 2x plus 1. Okay, minus 1 times e power 2x is minus e power 2x minus 1 plus 4 e power 2x. We get 4 e power 2x minus e power 2x is 3 e power 2x minus 1 over e power 2x plus 1. So we get two equal values. So fx equal minus 1 plus 4 e power 2x على e power 2x plus 1. Now, the question is, calculate and deduce an antiderivative f of f. How to deduce an antiderivative f of f? So I take fx اللي عطينا اياها هو in this part.
ليش ما بناخد ال fx اللي فوق؟
مش اللي فوق، اللي تحت، اللي we have proved it in part 5a. اوكي بناخد مش ال given fx، بناخد اللي we have proved. How to calculate the integral of this expression? I can divide it into two parts, minus 1 dx plus 4 integral of e power 2x over e power 2x plus 1 dx. Any questions please here?
No.
توماس نعسان يلا هلا بتنام. قد ايه الانتجرال ل minus 1؟
شو تصير؟
هيدك نعسان عم قول sleepy.
لا
Integral of minus 1 is how much?
minus x
Minus x plus 4 e power 2x over e power 2x plus 1. كيف بنلاقي الانتجرال لهيدا البارت؟ It is not a rule. By which method?
Change of the variable هي.
Okay. شو بناخد change of the variable؟ شو بناخد u؟
e to x, e to the power.
Let u equal e power 2x plus make. قد ايه دي يو بتعطي؟
ما فينا ناخد e to power 2x بس.
No. Which one بتعطي؟ إذا عملنا derivative لهيدا بيعطي اللي فوق ولا عملنا derivative للنيوميريتور بيعطي تحت؟
تبع تحت إذا عملنا derivative بيطلع.
What is the u? What is the derivative of e to the power 2x? Then dx will be equals du over 2e power 2x. So fx will be equal minus x plus 4 integral of e power 2x over u times du over 2e power 2x. هيدا وهيدا simplified. It is equal minus x, 4 and 2 remains 2, du over u. Minus x plus 2. What is the integral of e to the u over u?
Ln u.
2 ln u, yes. We can add plus c equals minus x plus 2 ln. What is u? Any questions about the integral? So if it is polynomial times exponential integration by parts, if it is like that, we change the variable. Okay, can I skip this page?
هيدا change of variable يعني substitution.
Yes. Can I skip this page?
Yes.
Now the last part, calculate in centimeter square the area of the region bounded by the curve C, the x-axis and the y-axis and the line x equal ln 2. فأنا الاريا in centimeter square between C شو بتساوي الاريا؟ الاريا equal integral from A to B fx dx. What are A and B here? What is the y-axis? Y-axis شو عنده equation?
X equals 0.
Okay, so area equal integral between 0 and ln 2 fx dx. So area equals integral between 0 and ln 2 fx dx.
ln 2 is for the x-axis.
No,
ليش حاطط ln 2؟
لأنه هو قايلنا
هو بده سي الواي اكسس والاكس اكسس.
and the line x equal ln 2. شفتوا هيدا هون؟ إذا بدك على الجراف هيدا هون between the y-axis هيدا y-axis ln 2 is 0.7 يعني هيدا هون هيدا اللاين بدنا هي الاريا يعني هون between the y هيدا البارت هون بدنا نلاقي له الاريا from 0 to ln 2. اوكي الاريا ايكوالز نحن لقينا الاف اكس. شو طلعت معنا الاف اكس الكبيره قبل شوي؟ قديش طلعت معكم الاريا الكبيره الاف اكس الكبيره؟ قديش طلعت الاف اكس؟ so الاريا ايكوالز minus x plus 2 ln e power 2x plus 1 between 0 and ln 2. كيف بنلاقيها هيدا؟ أول مرة we replace x by how much؟ equal f of ln 2 f of ln 2 minus f of 0. Did you write this page?
Yes.
Okay.
Dear class,